Hi, I'm Shireen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a YouTube Giving fundraiser, and I'll share a few best practices. YouTube Giving empowers you to use your voice to support the causes you care about. Whether you're raising money with the donate button or with live chat donations, we've made it easy for creators to fundraise for eligible US nonprofits. On top of that, YouTube covers all transaction fees, so 100% of the money you raise goes to the eligible nonprofit. When you set up a fundraiser, your fans will be able to donate to your cause in two ways. First, with the donate button. That will appear next to your video or live stream. Second, if you add your fundraiser to a live stream with chat enabled, your viewers will also be able to donate through the chat. Before we get into how to set up your fundraiser, here are a few quick tips that can help you amplify your reach and impact. First, create the connection. Share with your fans why the cause is important to you and why they should donate. Whether it's by creating a clip that you add to the beginning of your videos or a live stream dedicated to the fundraiser, sharing your passion for the cause can make a big impact. Second, activate your community. You can increase your impact and your reach by collaborating with other creators through a community fundraiser. Third, spread the word and ask your fans to donate. By sharing your cause across social media, you can reach all your fans and spread awareness. Now let's dive into how to set up a YouTube Giving fundraiser. You'll have the option to create a fundraiser or to join another creator's community fundraiser. Start by logging into your account at studio.youtube.com. Then click on the Monetization tab and then Giving at the top of the page. Click Get Started to create or join a fundraiser. When you choose to join a fundraiser, you'll see a list of community fundraisers already started by other creators. When you choose to create a fundraiser, you'll first select the eligible 501c3 US nonprofit that you would like to raise money for. If the nonprofit you would like to support is not listed, please let us know. Once you've selected a nonprofit, you'll customize your fundraiser title and the subtitle. Next, select your fundraiser image. If the nonprofit has an official icon, you'll see it in addition to 3 YouTube Giving icons that you can choose from. This image will appear alongside your fundraiser title. Click Continue to write a description about why the cause is important to you. Then add a personalized thank you message that donors will receive with their confirmation. Finally, you can amplify your impact with a community fundraiser by adding collaborators. You can choose to make your fundraiser joinable by all eligible creators or by specific creators with access to YouTube Giving. You'll then see the option to set a fundraiser goal and a duration, or you can create an ongoing one. Remember, you can change your amount goal and duration at any time during your campaign. After setting your amount goal, click Continue to go to the final step where you'll select videos to add your fundraiser to. When you click Publish, you'll see the Donate button appear next to your selected videos. If you selected a live stream with chat, the option to donate through chat will also appear. You can keep an eye on how your fundraiser is performing in the Giving tab. You can also edit your campaign to add or remove videos or change the amount goal and end date at any time. Just click on the 3-dot menu next to your fundraiser. To delete your fundraiser and remove the Donate button from your videos, you can click on Delete. And that's it! We're excited to roll out YouTube Giving to US-based creators in the upcoming months. You'll see a notification in your YouTube Studio dashboard when you have access. If you have any feedback as we continue to expand the product, please let us know. We hope you enjoy using YouTube Giving, and thanks for making a positive social impact with YouTube.